Want to turn your home into a vibrant, plant-filled paradise without spending hours caring for each leaf? You're in the right place. In this video, we're sharing 10 genius plant care hacks that will instantly upgrade your space, boost your plant health, and make gardening easier than ever. These aren't just basic tips, these are real, tested techniques that experienced plant lovers swear by. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned indoor gardener, you'll walk away with practical solutions that you can start using today. So grab your watering can or your coffee, and let's make your plants thrive. Ever overwater your plants and end up with a mess, or worse, root rot? Try using ice cubes instead of pouring water. Just place 2 or 3 cubes on the soil surface. As they melt slowly, they release moisture gradually, which keeps the soil evenly damp without flooding it. This method is especially great for hanging planters or orchids that hate wet feet. It's low effort, effective, and surprisingly smart. If you love propagating cuttings in water, here's a little-known trick. Add a pothos cutting to the same jar. Why? Pothos naturally release auxins, the plant hormone responsible for root growth. This simple move can actually speed up root development in other cuttings, perfect for spider plants, philodendrons, or monsteras. NASA found that grouping plants together can actually cool your home naturally through a process called transpiration, where plants release water vapor that lowers the air temperature. So, cluster your leafy friends near windows or stuffy corners. Not only will it look like a botanical haven, but your air will feel fresher and more humid, ideal for both people and plants. Before you toss out your used coffee grounds, save them for your plants. Rich in nitrogen and other minerals, they make a fantastic organic fertilizer. Mix them into the soil of heavy feeders like ferns, pothos, or peace lilies. Just be careful not to overdo it. Once a week is plenty. Did you know that tap water contains chlorine and salts that can harm sensitive houseplants over time? Collecting and using rainwater gives your plants natural hydration without chemicals. It's especially helpful for finicky plants like calatheas or carnivorous varieties. Just store rainwater in a clean bucket and use it as your go-to watering source. Got stubborn weeds on your patio or between paving stones? Forget harsh sprays. Just pour boiling water directly on them. This eco-friendly method destroys weeds instantly, especially when used on young sprouts. It's cheap, fast, and safe around pets and kids. Skip the store-bought rooting hormone and use raw honey instead. It's naturally antibacterial and promotes root development. Dip the base of your plant cutting into honey before placing it in soil or water. It's a sweet solution, literally, that gardeners have used for years. Not sure when to water? A soil moisture meter takes out the guesswork. Just stick it in the soil and get an instant reading. It's a tiny investment that saves lives. Plant lives, that is, by preventing overwatering and underwatering, the top 2 killers of indoor plants. If your plant is leaning toward the light, it's time to rotate the pot. Every couple of days, give it a quarter turn. This simple habit helps ensure even growth, keeps your plant symmetrical, and prevents legginess. It's like a workout routine for your ficus. Tropical plants love humidity, but your home probably doesn't provide it naturally, especially in winter. The solution? Group plants close together to create a microclimate. Their collective moisture output raises the humidity around them, helping them thrive without humidifiers. If you found even one of these plant care hacks helpful, do us a favor. Hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite tip, or share your own secret trick. We're a small but growing channel dedicated to home gardening, plant care, and all things green. Your support really means the world to us. And if you want more plant tips, gardening advice, and home growing hacks, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy growing.